Okay, now let's try to solve some exercises involving implicit differentiation. Suppose my problem is I have here 2x squared y plus 3x minus 4y equals 5. Now, performing implicit differentiation with this problem, I will have on the first one, this is the first term natin, I can use the product rule here. So it will be the first factor, 2x squared, times the derivative of y. But since y siya, so derivative of y is 1. And then we'll have here y prime plus the second factor y times the derivative of 2x squared, that's equal to 4x. Then derivative of 3x is equal to 3. But then here, negative 4y, the derivative of negative 4y is negative 4. But since again y siya, so we'll have then y prime equals 0. Then afterwards, collecting yung mga terms natin na may y prime, I will have here 2x squared y prime minus 4y prime. Then sa kabilang side naman na equation, I will have then negative 4xy minus 3. Then factoring y prime, I will have 2x squared minus 4 equals negative 4xy minus 3. And so, y prime, dividing both sides by 2x squared minus 4, my y prime then will be equal to negative 4xy minus 3 all over 2x squared minus 4. So, this is then my y prime. So, by performing implicit differentiation. Let's try to solve some problems. Another one. So, suppose, okay, ano naman, no? Suppose ang next naman natin ay sine xy equals, for example, e to the x minus e to the y. Right? So, again, the derivative of sine xy, the derivative of sine is cosine xy. By chain rule, we get now the derivative ng xy natin. But then again, by product rule, this is the first times the derivative of the second, that will be equal to 1. Kaya lang, since y siya, y prime, plus the second, y, times the derivative of the first, which is equal to 1. So, y na lang yan. Okay, equals ngayon, derivative of e to the x ay e to the x, minus the derivative of e to the y ay e to the y, but then again, y prime. So, then by distribution, I will have then x cosine xy y prime plus y cosine xy will be equal to e to the x minus e to the y prime. Then, lahat ng mga y prime, magkasama na sila. On the left side, I will have e to the cosine of xy y prime plus e to the y prime will be equal to e to the x. Ito namang y cosine xy natin, nililipat sa kabila. I will have then minus y cosine xy. Then factoring y prime, I will have x cosine xy here plus e to the y will be equal to e to the x here minus y cosine xy. Then dividing both sides by x cosine xy plus e to the y, finally my y prime will be equal to e to the x minus y cosine xy over x cosine xy plus e to the y. Okay, so this is then my y prime by implicit differentiation.